when the white 03 doesn't start up again. Hey YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Jaden back at again with another video. So it's that time of the year again when my rego's due. So I'm gonna show you guys how much it costs to own a car in Australia. So right now we're on the way to get some new tires because the white 03 is not gonna pass pink slip inspection with 4-pole tires. Don't mind the balloons in the back, boys. It was my birthday the other day, so my auntie got me some balloons. Alright boys, we're almost at Bob Jane right now. Yes sir. Alright boys, we made it to Bob Jane right now. Across the road's where I used to work actually. But shout out Bob Jane, man. If I didn't work at Toyota, they wouldn't have hooked me up. There's the white 03. So got Bridgestone Potenza RE003s all around. Let's go boys, semi-slicks all the way. Now we're just getting a wheel alignment. There we go. If this was 1 year ago, I would have just got my tires done at Toyota. Since I don't have a tire changing machine or a wheel balancer, we have to go to Bob Jane to do it. Finally the white 03 is finished. Some fresh RE003s on it. Let's go. Woo. The new tires go crazy. Gotta love semi-slicks, bro. They're the best. So I think I might make a separate video reviewing these tires. So make sure you hit that like button if you want to see that. Alright boys, so we just made it back from Bob Jane right now, and that's pretty much the first part done. Now the second part's all the paperwork that you have to pay for. So in New South Wales we have this thing called a CTP green slip, which is pretty much a compulsory insurance cover to make sure if you hit someone or kill someone on the roads, you'll be covered. So the green slip's $735, and the other thing you have to pay for is your actual registration, or in Australia we call it rego. Before you actually go and pay for your rego, you need to get a pink slip, which you can only get by getting an inspection done by real mechanics. So the rego costs about $370, and it depends on how big your car is. And it also costs like $41 to get an inspection, so it ain't cheap owning a car, boys, let me tell ya. And not to mention we just paid over $500 for new tires, so I guess that's just a regular expense for owning a car in Australia. Peep the new tires though, boys, that's kinda hot. Got these RE003s, and now all we have to do is pay for the paperwork.
The next day.
If you guys don't know, LaMelo Ball is one of my favorite players of all time. I've been watching him since he was chucking up half courts at Chino Hills. But today we have a very special package right now from the NBL store. So I'ma open it real quick. Bro, this is gonna be crazy. Official NBL store, and nobody be watching the NBL, bro. I only been watching it because of LaMelo. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. This is crazy. We got LaMelo Ball jersey right here. That's tough, bro. That's crazy. So we got Ball at the back and at the front, bro. That's tough, man. We've got Illawarra. And we got the famous Seacliff Bridge right there. That's tough, man. That's hard. I like that, man. I'm gonna wear it right now. Yes, sir. Bro, that's tough. Bro, I love this jersey. But then, what we also copped is this RJ Hampton jersey. Yo! And this is even cleaner, bro. Got the 14 Hampton on the back. Blue at the bottom. So yeah, I low-key wish I got to see LaMelo play, but I didn't expect him to get injured, but that's a lesson in life. If you want to do something, be sure to do it before it's too late. So I finna go play some basketball later today, but first we gotta react to some NBL highlights. Let's go. What a shot. What a jump shot, bro. It's so unorthodox. But you know, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. For the three, ready? Bang. What a shot, bro. That no one be shooting like that.
2 hours later.
So right now I finna pick up my mate from the station and then we finna go play ball. What's up? That's us to the vlog.
What is it? Spooty.
Bro, it's hot as A. Turn the AC on, bro.
Seconds to work with. Need a three. They need a three ball. LaMelo. Played 4 minutes on Sunday. Excuse me, none on Sundays. LaMelo ball with another three.
It is so hot today. Good thing I brought the clout goggles. Ah! The shift knob's so hot because it's made out of metal. But what we finna do is drive to my mate Richie's house. Sorry. Look at all the Richie's dogs. There's so many of them. How you going? Alright boys, we at Richie's pool right now. He's just getting a towel. But bro, this water is so good. Let's not wet the camera. We out here living, baby. Wait, how do I get back to the shore now with this camera? We're vibing out here.
People that I used to know trying to chase the Birkin. Bitches in my DMs that I knew that used to curve me. People I don't know on my Instagram lurking.
Chef Richie. Alright boys, so we're about to try Richie's Kafka right now. Oh, so good. But so hot right now. Alright boys, we just finished eating, so now it's time to jump back in the pool. Richie the dog whisperer. He's probably the only cool one because he actually comes up to me. Richie! Alright boys, so we just finished swimming right now, and now we finna go play some aqua golf, so we're finna take the white 03. Alright. We made it to aqua golf right now. It's still hot, it's like 8 o'clock. That's sick. First shot of the day. I've been hitting him. It's not straight. Bro, you're hitting on the other side of the leg on that side, bro. Hit it for the camera one time, Richie. Cut the camera, man. Oofed. I just cleared the lake. Let's go, Richie. Well, that's one way to waste $10. Alright, back in the white 03. See you, boss. Nothing better than a Slurpee on a 40-degree day straight out. Alright boys, so it's currently like 3 AM right now. I'm so tired right now, but I have to get this video finished for you guys before I could go to bed. So if you enjoyed, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe if you're new, and maybe leave a comment down below. Till next time guys, peace.